Wonderful people around the world, and welcome to Tapcoin Daily Combo. So I'll click on receive. This is a bonus from connecting my biometrics with Tapcoin. So for today, I will just head back to the tax section and make sure I collect my daily login rewards. Okay, I'll claim that. After that, I head to the if you want to perform this tax here, watch ads, then you get extra bonus. You can do that. You can also do this and get 10,000 coin. But for today, I'm focusing on the combo. So our combo for today are POW, which is under jargon, the first one. So I'll look for POW here, and this is it. Proof of work. Then I'll click on go ahead, and feeling lucky, you see that this has been added to our cards Tapcoin bounty for today. So I'll head back to platforms, and the next one I want to look at here is KuCoin. Yeah. The next one I want to look, and the next one I want to pick from here is KuCoin, which is this particular one. So I'll click on go ahead, and I'll click on get it. So by the time we head back to the top, you see that this has been added also. And the last one for today is Bitcoin Cash. That should be under term and jargon, I think, or blockchain. Let's see. Bitcoin Cash. Okay, yeah, this particular one. So I'll click on get it and feeling thankful. So I'll get my daily reward added to my initial balance. So if you find this very helpful, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the Airdrop tab to connect your wallet if you are yet to connect your wallet. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day.